Gerhold, and I will be using SPSS to create a quick little video on how to determine if a 15-minute coaching session may have a significant effect on bowling scores. So I'm going to be comparing the differences between two different variables, game one and game two. So to start out this, I need to kind of go through a checklist to see if our differences are normally distributed. So first I need to find my differences. So I'm going to click on transform, then go down to compute variable. I'm going to create my target variable. I can name this whatever I like since I'm looking for differences. I will name this diff. And then I will be taking the difference between game one and game two. So I minus game two. It doesn't matter the order, game two minus game one or game one minus game two. I click on OK, and this will give me my differences. All right, next up, I will look or run my kind of check. So I look for, I go up to analyze. And then I go to descriptive statistics, and then I click on frequencies, and then I move my target variable over, which is differences. So I click on that, move it over, and then I want to check my charts. So I click on charts. I want a histogram, show normal curve on this, and let's see if these are nice and distributed. So I'll click on OK. Wait a little bit for this to load. Scroll down. So I'm looking at this, and this is not looking nicely distributed. So I am going to say that I cannot run the t-test. So what do I do if I cannot run that? I will use the Wilcoxon test instead. So I'm going to click out of this. Do I want to save contents? No. So I will go on to analyze and then go down to non-parametric test and then click on legacy dialogues and then two related samples I will click on. I will choose variable 1, variable 2. I will choose those two, and then I will make sure Wilcoxon is selected. And then I will look at the test statistics. Tongue twister. So underneath the test statistics, I am going to look at the post and the pre. So this is game one and game two. And if it is less than 0.05, then we reject our null hypothesis. And this is less than 0.05. So we have to reject the null hypothesis, and it is showing that there is a significant difference between the game one and game two results. So what we have found out is that the observation from the bowling style and the coaching, it did have an impact.